can I say except welcome? When the tides return the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demigod.
This one, no? This one. Oh.
Garfano. E guarda
Child! Child!
This is what you want to use your life for? You will end up in McDonald's. You will end up in McDonald's.
Child!